All set now, ready to race. Race number 7. And the race on. Precious Metal, Tiger, Rafi, Hepburn, Superior Art. One Bahamas is running by the rail. It's now One Bahamas followed by Superior Arc in second. Precious Metal racing in third alongside Tiger Rapi. Oh, Slam Shots is running in fourth by the rail. As they pass the last 800, One Bahamas by about 2 lengths. Superior Arc on the outside is Precious Metal. Slam Shots is running in fourth by about 2 lengths. Tiger Rafi racing on the outside. Intramuros running in 6 by about 4 lengths. Rushing up is Queen Hepburn as they race the corner. One Bahamas, Precious Metal, number 10. In between runners, Superior Arc, Slam Shot. Danori inside, making ground as they race the last 250. Precious Metal, One Bahamas in the middle. Slam Shot. Danori inside. It's One Bahamas, Slam Shot. Danori inside, Precious Metal, and Tiger Rapi moving up by the rail. One Bahamas, Tiger Rapi, but One Bahamas, Tiger Rapi, and it's going to be close. One Bahamas, Tiger Rapi, Intramuros, Precious Metal, Slam Shot, Queen.